In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone on Tradingview step by step, 2025. Whether you're tracking markets across regions or you just want your charts to reflect your local time, getting the time zone right keeps your timestamps, session breaks, and trade planning consistent. This quick walkthrough will make sure your chart's time axis is aligned with how you work. First, open Tradingview and head to any chart. It doesn't matter which symbol you pick. The process is the same across all markets and timeframes. Make sure you're looking at the main chart view so you can see the top toolbar. If your workspace looks busy, that's fine. Just focus on the chart area where the time axis runs along the bottom. Next, look to the top toolbar of the chart and click the Chart Settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This opens the settings window where most of your chart preferences live. If you've never used it before, don't worry. Everything is grouped into tabs, so it's easy to find what you need. Inside the settings window, click the Symbol tab. This tab controls properties tied to the instrument you're viewing. It's different from appearance or scales, which affect how things look and how the axes behave. We're changing how time is displayed, so Symbol is the right place. Now scroll down within the Symbol tab until you see Timezone. It may be near the lower half of the panel. This setting governs how the timestamps along your chart's bottom axis are shown. If you work across multiple markets, picking the best time zone can save you confusion, especially around market opens and closes. Click the time zone drop-down and choose the time zone you want. You can type to search for a region or city, which is often faster than scrolling. A practical approach is to select either your local time, so everything lines up with your day, or the local time of the exchange you trade most, so you can plan around those sessions. Keep in mind that daylight saving rules are handled by the time zone you pick, so your chart will adjust automatically when applicable. When you're done, click OK to apply the changes to your chart. You'll see the time axis update instantly. Your candles, session markers, and any upcoming time-based elements will now reflect the time zone you chose. If it doesn't look right, you can repeat these steps and pick a different time zone at any time. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.